Hello. It is now the 29th of April and you may be able to hear in the background that it is raining. I have planted my sweet peas, which you can just about see there. I've even got a few in the hanging basket. But I've got some more down there. So hopefully these will go well. I've also got some Oregon sugar pod mangetout, which well, I won't be planting here because I've used up my tubs for the sweet peas, but they'll probably go up to my parents' house at some point when they're a bit bigger. I hope that the slugs and snails can't read French, because otherwise they may take mangetout as an instruction. But I'm sure they'll try that anyway. My bluebells are still around, and now the French beans that were here, that they've already gone up to my parents' house. Haven't been planted out yet, but the space freed up allows me to put some more of my chilies into the mini greenhouse there. There's some more mangetout, and there are a few sunflowers. I've probably only got 4 or 5 viable plants left, because the slugs and snails have been at them. Now the John Gold apple is a little bit later, but nevertheless a few blossoms coming on already. There's some strawberry plants. And that's one of my apples that I grew from a pip last year. And there is an oak tree which actually came free with one of my apples. When I was planting it up, I noticed that there were several acorns, and there was one of them in there that I've grown on separately, and there's another one which is a bit smaller over there. There's my Christmas tree as well, which is showing some nice growth. And there's the Christmas pippin again, which is growing well. It's just sort of coming to the end of its blossom season.